You have used the same skincare routine for months, and it always felt fine. But today, your face feels tight and dry, and applying those same trusted products leaves you with an uncomfortable stinging sensation. As skin matures, it loses its natural cushion. Factors like weather changes or washing your face too harshly can easily compromise the protective barrier, leaving sensitive layers exposed to external irritants. This reaction requires a temporary, simplified RIMAN ICD reset routine focused exclusively on restoring hydration and moisture. Before introducing any products, you must follow two prerequisites. Step away from all facial scrubs and turn your sink faucet away from hot water. This tactical pause breaks the irritation cycle, giving your skin's defenses the physical time they need to rebuild. The first phase of this reset involves actively removing variables that cause friction or chemical overload. Within the RIMAN lineup, the first step to pause is your exfoliating powder wash. That polishing action is too aggressive for a compromised barrier. You must also pause multiple active serums and boosters. Stacking these ingredients right now will overwhelm your skin. Temperature is equally important. Hot water strips the natural oils your skin needs to hold onto, so you must use lukewarm or cool water only. Because mature skin has less natural resilience, removing these high-impact variables provides the immediate environmental relief required before any soothing products can work. Deploy this three-step emergency reset when your skin is at its most reactive and uncomfortable state. Step 1. Gently cleanse with the Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. Step 2. Prep with a light layer of two-phase oil mist, or skip if highly reactive. Step 3. Seal. Generously apply the ICD Dermatology Cream to lock in moisture. During this sensitive phase, you must gently press and pat these products into your skin. Avoid any rubbing, scrubbing, or tugging. This bare minimum routine isolates the skin from potential triggers, creating a closed, hydrating environment that allows the barrier to mend itself. Once the immediate stinging sensation has stopped, you can transition to a sustainable daily maintenance routine. Your cleansing step now expands to handle makeup or sunscreen. Use the moisture cleansing oil first, followed by the gentle Snow Enzyme Cleanser. Next, introduce exactly one active treatment step back into the routine using the Dermatology Serum EX. Be careful here. Stacking multiple serums during this phase will overwhelm your newly stabilized skin and likely cause a relapse. Follow your moisturizer with a simple daytime sun protection layer using the ICD Moisture Layer Sunscreen. This 5-step framework achieves a balance. It provides necessary active treatments while maintaining the gentle care required to prevent future sensitivity. Eventually, you will be ready to bring back your favorite exfoliating or active products. Follow a strict rule of reintroduction. Add only one product back at a time and wait several days before adding another. Use much thinner layers than normal during this initial reintroduction to safely test your skin's tolerance. This methodical reintroduction eliminates the guessing game. You gain total control over what your skin can handle while maintaining its comfort. Completing this protocol restores the skin barrier. Your face feels soft, plump, and free of that dry, tight sensation. To find the authentic RIMAN ICD products required for this gentle routine, visit kbeautyusa.com. Every product features official authenticity seals. Orders over $200 receive free shipping, making it easier to secure your full reset kit. Mature skin's needs change over time. Mastering this reset ensures you can always bring your skin back to a state of balance and comfort.